Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to see the solution for second question. Second question is, how are the expressions evaluated in C? Explain the role of precedence and associativity in it and give example. Okay, what it means? Here you are going to explain that how an expression is evaluated in C. So how it is evaluated so based on the precedence and associativity. And after that you are going to give one example. Okay, so coming to second question, so write a short note on basic data types that the C language supports. So illustrate with a C program. Here the basic data types is nothing but integer, so char, so float and double. You are going to specify these basic data types. After that you are going to write one small program regarding to these data types. So now we are going to see the solution for this question. So this is the solution. In the C programming language, an expression is evaluated based on the operator precedence and associative. So after that, you are going to define so what is operator precedence and what is operator associativity. I hope you all are know so operator precedence and operator associativity so based on our previous videos. Okay, if you don't know these topics, so please refer the links given in description. Precedence is nothing but so preference to operator, and associativity is nothing but when the two operators have same precedence, then you are going to execute from left to right or right to left. In the exam, you are going to write this table, the precedence order. So that means the highest priority is one precedence, that means bracket. So and the associativity is left to right. Okay, so after that you are going to take one small example. So this is the example, 100 plus 200 slash so 10 minus 3 into 10. Now in this highest precedence is so division and multiplication, but the division and multiplication have same precedence, so associativity so left to right, left to right. So first you are going to evaluate so 200 by 10, that means 20. Okay, so next plus minus asterisk, in this asterisk have more precedence, so 3 into 10 30. So next, so plus minus, so these two operators have same precedence, so evaluate from left to right. So 100 plus 20 120 minus 30 and the final result is 90. Okay, in exam you are going to give the explanation for this example also. So this is about 2a. So now we see solution for 2b. So write a short note on basic data types in the C language. So what are the basic data types? The basic data types are int, char, float and double. Okay. So after that you are going to illustrate these data types with the help of C program. I take 4 variables. So one is integer a, another one is b, char, c, float, d, double. So after that I am going to print the size of a, size of b, size of c and size of 4. So based on the compile it may differ, but coming to so many operating systems returns the size of the integer is 4. So char data type is 1, size of float is 4, size of double is 8. Okay, when you give the solution for these type of questions, you are going to elaborate about these data types. Integer means only whole numbers, so character means special symbols, alphabets, numbers stored in the form of ASCII. So float data type is nothing but decimal numbers. So double means it's a large decimal numbers in your program, then you define your data type as a double. You are going to give the description for these data types. That means you can elaborate the answer here.